Okay, be honest. How many of you have a junk closet that you literally slam shut and pray nothing falls out? Because same girl, same. But I finally did something about it. I ordered 20 of these Iris clear stackable storage bins, and honestly, best decision I've made all year. Clear stackable bins for easy visual storage. Snap-on lids keep content secure and stack neatly. They stack perfectly. No wobbling, no sliding, just pure organizational satisfaction. Compact 6-quart size, good for shoes, crafts, closets. BPA-free, durable plastic built for daily use. Perfect for shoe collections. You can see every pair without opening a single box. Slide them under the bed for hidden but accessible storage. Great for classrooms, pantry, hobby supplies, and small spaces. From bathroom essentials to kitchen pantry items, these bins work everywhere. Even your laundry room can look like a magazine spread. My junk closet, now it's my I'm so organized I could cry closet. 20 bins transformed my entire home. Click your country link in description to buy. Trust me, your future organized self will thank you. Subscribe for more organizing solutions.